what does it take for these facilities to have that mindset shift of going from reactive maintenance to something else?
Yeah, great question. It's a very hard answer. Culture is one of the hardest things that we come across in the industry, because we're really good at, getting the right data, organizing it, doing the right models, and kind of deploying that at plants. But the culture is really something that the plant and those employees have to own. And so a couple of things I'll point out. One is, if you're an executive in charge of that plant, it might be a plant manager or sub-leadership team, that plant manager, or above that plant manager, you might be the VP of operations or even C-level. It really has to maybe not start there, but it has to have a heavy anchor there. And so those executives have to be bought in that reliability is really important for their business.